Hello guys, today I'll show you how to invest to become rich. Firstly, the wealthy don't waste money to impress others. Instead, they focus on value and smart investments. Live below your means and avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. And also, think long term. The rich don't always drive flashy cars or live in mansions. Many self-made millionaires drive used cars and live in modest homes. 2. Eliminate bad debt. High-interest debt like credit cards kills your wealth by making you pay more in interest than you originally borrowed. Next, use good debt wisely. Not all debts are bad. Good debt is a debt that helps you build wealth, like mortgages, student loans, and businesses loans. And finally, wealthy people don't spend everything they earn. Instead, they save and invest constantly. So save, and save. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.